Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to grill whole fish. Yes, I use tilapia for this particular video. You can use any fish of your choice. What you are seeing here is the finished result. I'm sure you would like to know how I came up with this delicious grilled tilapia fish. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. The recipes I have for the grilled whole fish are onion, red bell pepper, Scotch bonnet peppers and garlic. These are the only recipes I will be introducing for now. Follow me on this video to know other of my recipes for the grilled whole fish, and I will prep this off the camera and then get back to you soon, just soon, okay? I'm done prepping the veggies, so let's blend them. Bear in mind that I will be blending them roughly, but you can as well decide to blend yours smoothly. There is no problem about that. Alright, keep watching. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, please subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to support us. Alright. Once the blending is done, preheat a little vegetable oil and fry the pepper mix. Allow the pepper mix to fry for at least 5 minutes. Then season with salt, all-purpose seasoning and powder seasoning, and then mix to combine. Allow it for more 3 minutes. Three minutes later, this is as good as gold. Let's check and balance the taste, and man, the taste was perfect. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool down. For today's grilled fish recipe, I will be using tilapia fish. You can use any fish of your choice. There is no problem about that. And as you can see, I am patting the fish dry, and I will do that on the both sides. Please, I have a video of how I clean this tilapia fish. That particular video will be up before this one. Please do check it out either in the description box below or on my pinned comment. Thank you. Once I'm done patting the fish dry, I will give a little slide on the fish, or may I say I will create a mark across the fish. My aim of doing that is to help the seasoning penetrate right inside the fish and give it that your deliciousness that you can never resist. Yeah. Next, place the fish in a baking pan with a foil on it to wrap it after seasoning, and to this I will be seasoning with some salt and black pepper. After that, I will allow the fish to marinate for at least 6 minutes or more while I do other things. I should have done this earlier, but I almost forgot because I have a lot of chops on my head. It is not easy to be a woman. Oh. Six minutes later, virtuous family, I will then season the fish further by using the sauce I made earlier to season the fish on the both sides. Once that is done, I will wrap the fish with the foil off the camera. But before then, have you liked this video? This is just a quick reminder for you to give the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video like this. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment. As you keep watching, God bless you. And yeah, the fish is beautifully wrapped. Next is to take it straight to the oven, and I will grill the fish on a low heat for 20 to 25 minutes to enable the fish cook both in and out, because nobody wanna eat a raw fish here. Just make sure you put your eyes on the fish even if you are busy. 25 minutes later, Virtuous family, let's check the fish and remove it from the oven. Open the foil. As you can see, the fish is well boiled both in and out. Oh, my camera is not really doing justice to what I am doing. I pray the Lord give me a good camera. After opening the foil, return the fish to the oven uncovered just like so to grill on a low heat for additional 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, let's see how the fish is doing. As you can see, the fish is well grilled and the changes on it is really so amazing. I'll be serving this grilled fish with some roasted half-ripe plantain and coleslaw. This grilled fish tasted so delicious and yummy. On this junction, our delicious whole grilled fish is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. We are taking this grilled fish as a dinner for today. You can as well take it as a lunch. There's no problem about that. Try this grilled fish recipe and give us your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we enjoy and like bringing it at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your comment. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.